Hey, let me help. Are you okay?
Mobile phones are fundamental to modern life, yet their design is not accessible for a large portion of the population, people with mobility disabilities. Not having access to comfortable and effective phone usage limits their social life, independence, security, and even safety. So this is why we, first, created a team. Second, did research. According to the World Health Organization, more than 15 million people live with a spinal cord injury, leaving them paralyzed. Moreover, people with autoimmune neurological conditions also experience impaired motor skills, while approximately 40% of stroke survivors become paralyzed. Third, did more research.
So, doctor, what can you say?
High-tech solutions like head tracking and voice control often remain unavailable due to complexity of use and price. This restricts the completion of young content as a lack of access to assistive devices only worsens social inequality and isolation of disabled people. After interviewing several local clinics, we discovered some major pain points of our clients, such as inability to contact the caregivers in case of an emergency and having no privacy.
Yes, with NeuroTouch, we provide our clients with the ability to use their navigation as a pointer in their phone screen. So basically, we provide them with the ability to scroll, click, and tap overall without using their hands. And basically, by the eye control, they minimize their need to use the physical interaction with the device, which helps them to decide the problem.
Another key feature is visual speech recognition that allows users to type without saying a single word. This encourages active communication for those without access to speech-to-text technology. Moreover, it promotes privacy, especially with things like passwords and personal information that was listed as a major pain point for our clients.
In order to assess our solution, we have created competitor feature analysis with anti-intruder blocking and smart blocks, and as always, criteria such as accessibility to people with no head motion, support with speech impairment, smooth eye-gaze control, quick typing, and price. We have also constructed a perceptual map. Here we can see that smart box comes closer in terms of functionality and quality, however, it lacks in price and geography. That's why NeuroTouch is the best solution in the market.
We gather feedback from people older than 18 years old with spinal cord injuries from Astana Association Social Technologies, and we discovered that our eye tracking system didn't detect eye fatigue, making it uncomfortable over time. After testing, we improved it to recognize tired eyes and adjust sensitivity for a smoother experience.
NeuroTouch will operate as a social enterprise devoting its profit to both operational cost and corporate social responsibility. Based on this cost structure, we chose subscription model as our main revenue stream, and our success will be defined by metrics of user activity and technical metrics. Lastly, we will partner with rehabilitation clinics, governmental center, and local community for outreach, and we are also planning to expand internationally.
Eye gaze control, lip reading, and a better way to interact with technology, all in NeuroTouch.